Hi, it's me, Dee. I'm here just giving a quick update on my book and some of the little tools that I now have to go with my book. There's also some other ones that are pending. So the first one is the book itself, which is actually for any child and every child, as it really looks at the social issue of parents splitting up and breaking up, and it can help every child and every family understand what can be going on underneath for any child. So the book main character is called Bród. It's a gender neutral name and a gender neutral character, as are all the characters generally in the book. So a child can actually put their own genders on there. It's also LGBTQI friendly and looks at all the different family types that are currently in our society. So the main updates of the book look at introducing the feelings gauge more explicitly through the book. So what happens is, once Bród learns of the feelings gauge, throughout the book we've introduced these pieces where we actually get to understand what Bród may be feeling within those situations. This is carried on through into the workbook. The workbook is specifically for children who are experiencing their parents' breakup. So this book then looks at following the same trajectory as the initial book at the start, and looking at feelings and this new piece, which is the Bród method, called after Bród, the main character. So the concept behind the 4 pillars of Bród are happy, healthy, safe and loved, which come from the book itself, and how we actually, as human beings, if you take everything away, this is what we need. In the workbook, we've also introduced the feelings gauge into the corners, as we did, and a child, as they're going along, gets to check in, because the idea is that a parent or both parents will work with the child on this, and they get to check in along the way on how they're feeling around it and build a care plan. So some of the little items that I've created, this little book bag. So the little book bag, they can all fit inside, which is really, really nice. And it has the Bród purple, which seems to have become the colour for it. We have this little pencil bag. We've also got these little set of the 4 colouring pencils, which are the colours of the feelings gauge, so a child can use them within the workbook. So these are branded with the Bród method. I also have little notebooks that are plain and have the Bród method logo on them. There's also a little hug from Twitch, and Twitch is Bród's little buddy and companion throughout the book, and can be seen on every page, so keep an eye out for Twitch. So this is a little pocket hug, so if a child just needs something in their pocket to keep them grounded, this is a nice little piece.